Hello and welcome to this Mindfulness in Nature video on behalf of the Stuart Low Trust. My name is Katie, thank you for joining me today. So today we are going to be meditating with a pine cone and an indoor plant, and we're just a few words about bringing nature indoors because it's winter at the moment when I'm recording this. It's sometimes easier to reconnect with nature by bringing it indoors. And it can be very beneficial and nourishing to grow something at home from seed, or just to kind of nurture something outside of ourselves. It can actually help us to nurture ourselves better. And it can really make us feel connected to the natural world, which we may sometimes forget living in a big city. And also having plants in your house can help to purify the air, and they're very inexpensive. So it's a very easy way to bring nature into your home and to reconnect with it. So I hope you enjoy the meditation. I'm just going to leave you with a short quote by Thich Nhat Hanh. And he said, "Every one of us has the seed of mindfulness. The practice is to cultivate it." And I hope that you enjoy cultivating it with me today. Thanks for watching. So just bringing your awareness to this pine cone in front of you. Noticing the shape, the different shapes within. Noticing the patterns. Different colours, different shades, different textures. Noticing what you notice. Anything that we might consider to be an imperfection. And noticing any thoughts or feelings that come and go as you gaze at this pine cone in this moment. And perhaps taking a moment to appreciate that this pine cone was once part of a pine tree that grew from a tiny seed, was nourished by sunlight and water, just as we are. And maybe taking a moment to appreciate its uniqueness. The only pine cone exactly like this one. Noticing when your mind wanders and letting any distractions go, bringing your awareness back to this moment. And now just bringing your awareness to this plant in front of you. And once again noticing the shape, the overall shape, and the shapes within. Just noticing what you notice from moment to moment. Seeing which leaves might draw your attention in particular. Noticing the movement of the plant. On this leaf, the way the light shines on the surface, the shape of the edge, and noticing the difference in the colour on the other side of the leaf and the texture. Noticing that each leaf is unique. Noticing the difference in the shape of the younger leaf. To the tiny new growth as it breathes and grows. Noticing how each leaf is connected to the whole. taking a moment to appreciate our connection with other living, breathing beings like this one. Appreciating the soil where it grows, where it has grown from a tiny seed. And continues to grow with each day. Thinking about breathing with this plant. As you allow yourself to be still with this plant.